Hey, Jerry! Trying to break the speed record? Hi, Edna. Looks like you're doing some heavy digging. Is that for a special occasion? I see. You'd better get back to it then. Whoa! Something's not right. Edna's digging is making the tunnel ceiling crumble. Jerry, you should stop! Edna, stop digging! The tunnel is collapsing and Jerry's inside! Oh no! Carl, Jerry is in trouble!
Oh! Supertruck!
The tunnel is blocked! Which transformation will you choose to go inside, Supertruck? Jerry, Supertruck is here to help. You hear something? The rocks have broken the pipes in their fall. Supertruck, you need to act fast. Hurry up, Supertruck! Let's go! What's happening? Careful! Oh no! The water is coming your way! You need to use your special tool, the ST-3000. A laser? Awesome! Well done, Supertruck. You managed to freeze the water. Well, enjoy your skating, guys. See you later.